Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a proof for the unit circle and its points. So this is useful because if you're stuck in the middle of the test and you don't remember what the points are, you can just prove it using the method that I'm going to teach you. So, when we do the points of a unit circle, right, the unit circle's radius is 1. So I have that written down right here. So if we draw a triangle in that, and for example, we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle, right? So this angle right here would be 30. This angle right here would be 60, right? And then the right angle would be 90. Well, we know that this is 1 because that's the radius, right? The radius is from the circle to the origin. So on the right side, I have the rules for the 30, 60, 90 triangle, which is the side opposite from the 30 degrees angle is x. The hypotenuse is 2x, and then the side across from the 60-degree angle is x squared root of 3. So in this case, x is equal to 1/2 because 2 times 1/2 is equal to 1. So if we insert x here, we have this is equal to 1/2. And then the side across from the 60-degree angle is 1/2 times square root of 3, which is square root of 3 over 2. So there's one thing you need to remember. It's on a unit circle, the points are cosine, comma sine, which is basically equivalent to x, comma y. Okay, so therefore in this case, cosine 30 would be square root of 3 over 2. Because in this case, cosine is equal to x, and the x value is square root of 3 over 2. And then sine 30 would be 1/2 because the y value is 1/2. Now, on the contrary, since we know that the radius of the unit circle is 1, we can solve x using that for E45, 45, 90 triangle. So we have 1 is equal to x square root of 2. If we divide square root of 2 on both sides, we'll have 1 over square root of 2 is equal to x. Now, we can't have a square root in the denominator, so if you multiply square root of 2 on both sides, we'll have square root of 2 over 2 is equal to x. So therefore, cosine 45 and sine 45 is equal to square root of 2 over 2. So another way I like to remember the points on a unit circle is by this chart. So first, what I like to do is to 1, 2, 3, and then 3, 2, 1. So after that, you divide everything by 2. And then you square root everything. So if I square root 1, it becomes 1. So you don't need to do anything with that. So you have square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 2, and square root of 3. Now, for tangent, all you need to do is sine over cosine. So tangent of 30 degrees would be square root of 3 over 3. And then tangent 45 is 1, tangent 60 is square root of 3. So all you need to remember is 1, 2, 3, and then 3, 2, 1.